everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to add a logo in a Brevo email template. First, open Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Brevo, press enter, and open the official website. Log in with your account, then go to the marketing section. Click on Create Campaign, select email and enter your campaign name. Then click Create Campaign and choose Start Designing. Next, select a basic template and pick the layout you like. Once the editor opens, drag and drop the image block into your email. Click on it, then upload your logo image from your computer or choose one from stock images if needed. And that's it. Your logo is now added to your Brevo email template. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.